When Aaron the priest lifted his hands to bless the people, the Torah writing describing this moment is unclear, and in the scroll it is written, his hand rather than his hands. To reconcile this discrepancy, Nefesh Yehonatan offers, this is to teach us that Israel is blessed when they are unified, making of his hands his hand, one hand out of all the many hands reaching to the heavens, to bring to the people of Israel bounteous blessings from the heavenly abode. Rest your eyes, relaxing body and breath, bringing focus to the breath. With each inhalation, notice the breath entering as dispersed air and coalescing in the heart space. Pause gently, and with each exhalation, allow the breath to exit in a focused column of air. With each inhalation, recognizing that we perceive the stuff of the world around us as distinct and separate. With each exhalation, remembering that all is one.